Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty, and I just finished my makeup, and I'll link the video above when it is ready. But for now, we're going to talk about hair. So it's been almost 2 weeks since I last washed my hair. I did my hair in a protective twist style, and then I took it out about 3 days later, and this is how it looks 9 days after. I wanted to do a treatment in my hair before I washed it, and I've heard a lot of good things about this Olaplex number 3 treatment because it allows you to rebuild the strength, structure, and integrity of your hair. And looking on their website, it's kind of like a reset for your hair, so I definitely wanted to try it out. Before I bought this treatment, I definitely did my research into seeing exactly what Olaplex number 3 is because I know not every product from Olaplex is safe to use at home. I wanted to see if this product was really worth me trying it, worth me using it, especially on my hair. And at first, I didn't know if it would be good for my hair because my hair is a lot thicker than a lot of women I've seen that used it and they really liked it. But I've also seen a lot of naturals, they've used it and they've raved about it and how great it is and how it really restored their hair and just revived it. So I thought this would be really good for me to use also in my hair just to give it that extra treatment that my hair can use. So as always, I'm dividing my hair into quadrants just because when I do this, I know that I'm saturating my hair with the product very well because my hair is quite thick. So if I don't separate it, I feel like I'm not really getting through the insides of my hair, like the roots. And also I can stay a lot more organized doing it this way. When I was looking at my scalp, it definitely looked clean, that there was no buildup on my scalp, and that's very good. Also, it wasn't itchy, which is also another indication of a healthy scalp. Now, looking at the definition of my hair from this twist out is so good. I would have went longer than 2 weeks with not washing my hair, but it was definitely time to wash my hair. Reading the directions on how to apply this treatment, it said to apply it on towel dried hair. So I'm assuming that means if you rinsed your hair and then you apply the towel to dry it. So it still has that moisture, it's still soft and it's still a little bit damp. So I just tried to replicate that and spray my hair with this bottle a few times just to lightly mist it. So I have that cushion that I can have that slip. So when I do apply the product, it's not just going on dry hair. Because remember, I haven't washed my hair for 2 weeks. The directions also said to apply a generous amount of this treatment to your hair, and you know I am very generous with all my products just because I want to ensure that my hair gets the TLC that it needs. And this product has a lot of slip, it just glides through my hair really nicely, and also it smells like a floral scent, very fresh and clean, and the consistency was kind of light. It wasn't really heavy, it wasn't runny, it was just in between, which was very good. And I was definitely surprised. I used a good amount in this section, and as you can see, my hair is getting a lot longer, but overall my hair definitely feels good, and I really like that I didn't have to work the product in really hard just to get my hair saturated and coated with the treatment. And my hair is getting a lot longer, as you can see. Now I'm just going to repeat the same process all over my hair. And I'm just so in love with the definition of this twist out. It's been 9 days since I unraveled these twists, and my hair, it just looks so good. The definition is amazing, and I'll make sure that I make a video on how to have your twist outs last longer than a few days, because a lot of people have questions and they have been messaging me on how to have your styles last longer than a few days. And now I'm finished applying the treatment to my hair, and here's how it looks. And the directions say to leave this treatment on for at least 10 minutes, but the longer you leave it on, the more effective this treatment is. So I ended up leaving it on for about 30 minutes. While I waited, I looked at some of my YouTube videos here, and also make sure that you're subscribed. And I also went over to my Instagram, which is at ravishing_tresses. So if you need any hair inspiration, hair tips, also want to know what products I use, make sure to follow me there. Now I'm just unraveling the twist and preparing my hair to rinse this treatment out. Feeling my hair, it feels so soft and so smooth. Also doesn't feel dry at all, which is excellent. I just hate when I use treatments and my hair, it feels dry afterwards, like a reverse treatment, like I ruined my hair. But no, this treatment was definitely good. My hair feels really soft, and I've noticed that there was more definition in my hair, which is also something that Olaplex number 3 said that it would do. I'm continuing to rinse this treatment out because it's not a leave-in treatment, and they definitely clearly stated it in bold on their website and on the bottle. So I'm going to make sure that I rinse this treatment out before I shampoo, condition, and deep condition my hair. And here's how my hair looks after I've completely rinsed this treatment out, and look at that definition. It looks so good. My curls definitely look a lot more healthier. My curls are popping, which is what I want. I would definitely recommend this treatment for other naturals because it did justice for my hair and it was very easy to use. And for my shampoo, I use Maui Moisture's Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo, and this is very, very good. I love the shampoo because it lathers great on my hair and on my scalp, and it also doesn't dry my hair out. It really helps moisturize your hair and help mend split ends. And for my conditioner, I also use the same line, and I really like this conditioner because, like I said, this line, it helps to repair split ends, also restore your natural hair shine, and it helps to restore your hair. And for my deep conditioner, I use the Shea Moisture Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Mask. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I love this mask because it really gives me that slip. My hair feels so healthy after I've rinsed this deep conditioner out. And here's how my hair looks after I finish shampooing, conditioning, and deep conditioning my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more like this, just let me know in the comment box below.